Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to give you an update on crypto.com Crocoin, take a look at Bitcoin, and give you guys my opinion on where I think we could be headed here. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. So guys, right now Bitcoin is trading at 41,829. We're sideways chopping. We came up off of touching the 38,500, and then this week we've basically been trading since between that $40,000 to $42,000 price range. Just barely below 42K right now. Bitcoin dominance trading at 50.81%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're almost at about 53%, but 52.81% if you want to call the stablecoins 2% of the total crypto market cap. But all in all here, guys, we're consolidating. Sideways consolidation. I still have my blue box set up here for layering in to the market. If I were to add some more capital, I would be looking to layer in here if I was somebody that was underexposed. Anywhere below the $40,000 price level, I think, is a nice entry point. But I do think that there is a high likelihood here that we probably come a little bit lower and maybe even test that $35,000 price level. This yellow line represents about 33K, 32K, but I think 35,000 is the next important level to be looking at, which is about right here in that area. I think that that's a appropriate level to look at in the next month or so. I also will say that if we don't get this move to the downside by the end of February, maybe even in the I'll put a somewhat of a definite on it. If we don't see a move to the downside by the beginning of March, middle of March, then I think that the appropriate thing to say is that we bottomed out here at about 38K, and we'll probably be moving to the upside into the halving. But until then, I still have this box here for layering in anything underneath 40,000. I think a good level to be a buyer at is more so around like the $35,000 price level if we dip down to that. But if you're not exposed at all to the crypto space, then I mean that the risk is higher to not be exposed than to have some exposure. Like I said, I'm looking to enter in a little bit more significantly into the market. I'm already very, very exposed to the crypto space, but I'm looking to increase my exposure if we do dip into this box a little bit heavier. I did buy a couple of Ethereum when we dipped down to that $38,000 price level, which was nice. I kind of caught that quote-unquote bottom for now. I mean, it won't be a bottom if we make that move to 35,000, but I'm layering in. But all in all, if you aren't exposed to any crypto, then probably right now is a good time to be layering in and picking out what you would like to obtain, because I think that the risk to reward ratio, if you're not holding any crypto, is very one-sided. You want to make sure you don't miss out on this potential explosive run to the upside after we make a higher low because you're trying to catch the bottom. It's much more risky to not hold crypto and try to catch a bottom and miss out, and we are off to the races. That's not a good situation to be in. But let's take a look at some altcoins. Let's take a look at Crocoin. Crocoin is doing very, very similar things to Bitcoin as usual. Right now, like guys, we're in boring sideways price action. Like we had some very significant moves to the upside over a decent period of time here, about a year and a month from January to basically where we're at today, except for a little bit of a pullback this January. About a year of continuous upside. There's about 220% price gain. It's time to consolidate a little bit. Maybe make our next leg up. Who knows? It might even be simple like this. It might be something very, very similar to these sell-offs. I don't even call them sell-offs, but basically consolidation, accumulation during these legs to the upside. It might be something similar to that. So 35,000, say. And I do want to emphasize that there's a chance that we have bottom from here. We have come down about 20%. From about 49,000. So there's a chance that we could bottom here. And that's why I'm saying if you aren't exposed at all to crypto, maybe it would behoove you to layer in just a little bit right now. Just throwing that out there. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but that's just my opinion. But Crocoin trading sideways. Everything in my opinion is probably going to be trading sideways for a little bit of time. Consolidating. Boring price action until we get a couple months down the road and we get some accumulation. And if we don't get that sell-off, we'll probably make a move to the upside. And I'm expecting that with the altcoins as well. We're getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving. It's a couple months away. Very curious to see what the news and the media articles will start to shift and start talking about it. Very, very curious to see what their sentiment is going to be, if they're going to be bullish, bearish, if they're going to start throwing out some crazy price predictions, because it's very interesting to see some of these players like BlackRock just basically becoming full Bitcoin bulls now. It's pretty comical, honestly. They're like they're Michael Saylor 2.0. It's very interesting. I'm all about it though. Get on board. Let's do it. But very interesting to see that stuff. But guys, if you like this type of content, these quick updates, please smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. Also, please go follow me on Twitter at 333Blacksea. I'm very active over there. And you can also check out some awesome referral links we have down below. We have a $4,100 sign-up bonus to Femex, $8,000 sign-up bonus to BitGet. All you got to do is click the links below. Open an account, do a little bit of trading, you get a lot of free money. But that's all I got for you guys. Be patient. I think the market's going to be probably trading sideways for a significant amount of time here, maybe a month or so, into February, halfway through February. But at the latest, I think you'll probably start to see some fireworks by the beginning of March. So be prepared for that. But that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.